Hey everyone, welcome back to Bullion with Sam. Now in today's YouTube video, we're going to be talking a little bit about the current events going on in the world at the moment, most specifically what's going on in the markets. Now it's a very exciting time to be in the gold and silver markets, all markets in general, but the gold and silver markets in particular. The reason I say that, gold is back over $2,000 an ounce US per ounce. That's incredible. We've come up to 2070 and come back down to where we are at the moment, but 2070 is just a hair off all-time highs. We are so close to setting all-time highs again in gold, in US dollars. Hence why it is so exciting to be in the precious metals at the moment. Now, silver has been having a great time as well. Silver has been outperforming gold in terms of percentages, which means that silver is back over $26 per ounce US, which is very exciting for silver investors because, again, it's with everything going on in the world at the moment, it is a timely reminder as to why everybody should be holding at least a little bit of precious metals. Now, something to be thinking about as well of what's going on in the markets is not just the gold and silver markets that have been doing so well. There have been other commodities that have been performing particularly well. The first one that comes to mind is nickel. Nickel at the moment is going crazy. The nickel market went up 70% in one day earlier this week. That's insane. That is the largest one-day move in the nickel price in history. It is crazy. There's a bit of a short squeeze going on at the moment, which is the story behind it. I mean, there's a few factors at play, but the major one here is the short squeeze in the nickel market. Producers or hedgers that are short the future contracts are trying to be forced out of their positions. Now that's great if you're long nickel and you're trading nickel or you invest in nickel because you'll be doing very well from it. But more so it's a reminder to particularly silver investors, but gold investors as well. I mean, with the silver squeeze movement that's been going on, you know, the Reddit crowd, the apes, the silverbacks as we call ourselves, the silver squeeze movement, the idea is that we're trying to squeeze short positions in the market. So when you see the nickel price move 70% in one day because of a short squeeze, it's very exciting. And it makes you think to yourself that it's an incredibly, incredibly exciting time to be invested in the precious metals. Minus everything else going on in the world at the moment. I mean, it's a crazy time to be alive. But particularly, it's an awesome, amazing time to be a precious metals investor. Guys, thanks again for watching. Now, please press the subscribe button if you haven't already to subscribe to my channel. You can also click the notification bell to make sure that you get my videos pop up right away as soon as I release them so that you'll be the first one to see it. Now, also, please, if you do like this video, by all means, just click the like button. And if you've got anything that you'd like to say about what's going on in the markets at the moment, by all means, just leave me a comment in the comment section. I get back to all of them. So by all means, start up a conversation. Thanks, guys.